If your Microsoft Access database crashes, runs slowly, or fails to open in newer versions of Windows or Office, it's probably time for an upgrade. These issues are common as software evolves, but with the right approach, they're completely fixable. At Winning Solutions, Inc., we've helped hundreds of businesses resolve long-standing access issues through targeted, reliable upgrades. Let's look at some of the most common problems we fix. Database crashes in newer Access versions, often caused by outdated code or broken references. We rebuild and modernize the database so it runs smoothly again. Slow performance or lag in multi-user environments? Our optimization ensures your database runs fast and efficiently, even with multiple users connected. Missing security updates or outdated encryption? We implement the latest protection so your sensitive data stays secure. Compatibility issues with modern operating systems or broken reports after Microsoft Office updates? We ensure everything works seamlessly with Access 2010, 2021, and Microsoft 365. The WSI advantage? We don't just upgrade, we enhance. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to schedule your Access upgrade consultation and get your database running better than ever.